Okay, folks, gears and goodies here. This is still going on. It's up in there. Mount bolt is in there hanging. Axles are in. All right. You see the subframe I have up on jack stands. Now, my mistake today was not marking those jack stands before I removed them. So right now I'm guesstimating as best I can with a plumb bob that I had hanging down for those holes right there to line up with those two right there. Yeah. Anyway, so now we're going to go over here, pull the latches on this 15,000 pound lift that was never designed for this car. It's overkill for said car. Car really barely fits. The lift is as far in as it'll go, and it's at the back of the car and it's at the front of the car. I mean, it's just, you know, I couldn't do much more with it. Let's see how we do here. We'll kneel down and watch this thing slowly come down. Let's see where we are with that stud right there, and where it's going to line up right there. Yeah, I can already tell that it's not quite lined up. So it's going to be work in progress.